There are two ways in which you can check the sync status of your devices when using Mylio Photos Plus. You can go to the dashboard and select the Devices panel. This will give you a general overview of how your devices are syncing. The question mark next to the device that you're using will give you a legend explaining what each icon means. For example, my iPad shows that it's fully synced by having a green check mark, where Mylio Drive is still downloading images. I see the green download arrow and the number of files that need to be downloaded. My MacBook shows an up arrow. That means that it's sending files to another device. In this case, the Android phone, which has a down arrow. But notice that the Android phone is grayed out. That means the device is offline. In order for syncing to resume, that device needs to be brought online and the Mylio application needs to be running in the foreground. For a more granular view of your syncing status, you can select the Information panel and select the Sync tab. Open the Devices area and you will see what each device requires, whether it's a thumbnail, an optimized image, or an original. Green means the files are already in that device, while yellow means it still has files that it needs. Hovering over any device will give you a summary of what thumbnails, optimized images, or originals reside or are needed on each file.